Today, I am reviewing Apple 2024 iMac with the M4 chip. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple 2024 iMac with the M4 chip is not just another desktop computer. It's a bold statement of design, performance, and intelligence, built for the modern world where creativity and productivity blend seamlessly. This is Apple's most refined and intelligent iMac yet, combining the power of the M4 chip, the beauty of the 24-inch Retina display, and the magic of macOS, all wrapped up in a sleek, ultra-thin, all-in-one design. Whether you're a student, creative professional, business user, or just someone who loves beautiful technology that works flawlessly, this iMac delivers an experience unlike any other. Let's start with performance, because that's where the 2024 iMac truly shines. At its core is Apple's brand new M4 chip, featuring an 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU. This chip doesn't just make your everyday tasks faster, it completely transforms how you interact with your computer. Opening apps feels instant, multitasking is buttery smooth, and even demanding creative workflows like video editing, 3D rendering, and photo manipulation are handled effortlessly. Apple has fine-tuned the M4 for both speed and efficiency, meaning you get incredible performance while keeping energy usage low, so your iMac stays cool and quiet, even during heavy workloads. The iMac also comes with 16 gigabytes of unified memory, which means the RAM and GPU share the same memory pool. This architecture allows faster data access and incredibly smooth performance across all tasks. Combined with a 256GB SSD, everything from booting up your computer to launching large files happens in the blink of an eye. There's virtually no lag, no stuttering, just pure, seamless computing. But Apple doesn't stop at performance. The 24-inch Retina display on this iMac is a masterpiece. It's not just big, it's breathtaking. With a 4.5K resolution, 500 nits of brightness, and support for over 1 billion colors, everything you see looks sharp, vivid, and lifelike. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or simply browsing the web, this display delivers stunning clarity and realism. The colors are rich, the details are crisp, and text looks razor-sharp. It's the kind of screen that makes you want to keep working or just stare at your desktop wallpaper a little longer. Now, when it comes to design, the 2024 iMac is as beautiful as ever. It's thin, elegant, and comes in a range of vibrant colors, with this particular model in a gorgeous pink finish. Apple has designed the iMac to fit perfectly into any space, whether it's your home office, a studio, or your living room. It's minimal yet striking, and because it's an all-in-one computer, there are no messy cables or bulky towers. It's the perfect combination of beauty and practicality. A major highlight of this iMac is that it's built for Apple Intelligence, Apple's new personal intelligence system. This feature takes productivity to the next level by helping you write better, organize your tasks, and even express yourself more creatively. And the best part? It's designed with privacy at its core. Your personal data stays on your device, not on Apple's servers. This means you get all the smart features you want, without sacrificing your privacy or control. For those who love video calls and content creation, the iMac comes with an advanced camera and audio system. The 12-megapixel center stage camera automatically keeps you perfectly framed during video calls, while 3 studio-quality microphones ensure your voice is crystal clear. And the 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio makes everything from Zoom meetings to movie nights sound immersive and rich. Whether you're recording, streaming, or chatting, this iMac ensures you look and sound your best. Connectivity is also top-notch. The 2024 iMac features up to 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which means you can connect external drives, displays, and accessories with blazing speed. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections. You can even connect 2 external 6K displays, turning your setup into a massive creative workspace. And if you're already in the Apple ecosystem, this iMac feels like an extension of your iPhone or iPad. With features like iPhone mirroring, you can view and control your iPhone directly from your iMac screen. You can copy something on your iPhone and paste it on your Mac, send text messages, or even take FaceTime calls directly on your iMac. The level of integration is seamless. It's Apple at its absolute best. When you step back and look at the big picture, the Apple 2024 iMac with the M4 chip is not just a computer. It's a complete creative and productivity hub. It's fast, smart, beautiful, and incredibly efficient. Whether you're a designer, a business owner, a student, or simply someone who appreciates premium technology, this iMac delivers power, performance, and polish in a way only Apple can.